Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us do one more technical sum related to the missing values. So first of all, let us read the statement and find out which type of information is given and whatever formula we are supposed to apply in this numerical for the calculations. So in the statement, average marks in statistics of 20 students of a class was 88. This information is given. A new student took admission with 82 marks in the school, whereas two existing students left the school. One more student take admission and two students left the school. If the marks of these students were 70 and 59, it means these are the marks who have left the school, and 82 are the marks of a new student who have joined the school. And we have to calculate, find the average marks of remaining students. So let us start. Whatever the information is given, we are writing down the information. Number one, average marks in statistics of 20 students. Number one, it means n is equal to 20, which means number of students. This information is given. So number of students are given. Number two, average marks in statistics. It means x bar is equal to 88. This is also given. So I am writing down the total marks obtained by 20 students. These are, we can calculate total with the help of number of students multiplied by x bar, or we can also write down the sign of multiplication in it. So these are the two values, n and x bar. So by putting the value of n is 20 and the value of x bar is 88. So this will be equivalent to 1760. So these are the total marks obtained by 20 students. Now for the next information, a new student took admission with 82 marks. Then one new student, number of new students joined the school. Number is 1, and the number of students who left the school, their number is 2. So the number of current students, remaining students is equal to, how many students were there? Total 20. One is left. One has joined the school and two has left the school. So the total number will be now 19. This is the one who has joined the school. We have added to it, and these are the students who have left the school. We have subtracted that from their number to the total students, and the now remaining students will be 19 students. These are the remaining students. Joined the school and left the school. Now I am writing down marks new students marks 82 and left students marks Those are, because two students have left the school, 70 and 59. 70 plus 59 is equal to 129. Now let us see marks, total marks of 19 students is equal to total 20 students. The marks of 20 students were 1760. So here 1760, he has joined the school with 82 marks plus 82, and these are the marks of two students who have left the school, minus 129 is equal to 1716, because 1760 plus 82 is 1842. 1842 minus 129, this will be equivalent to minus 129. This is 1713 will be here. And now these are the total marks of 19 students. We have derived 1713. Now we have to find out the average marks of remaining students. So I am writing down average marks of remaining students are 1760 divided by 19 is equal to 92.63. So this is the answer. Average marks obtained by remaining students are, this will be equivalent to 92.63 marks. So this is the answer. So for the calculation of any missing values, let us first of all write down whatever the information is given. As well as we are writing the information, and we are step by step we are applying the formulas, then ultimately we will calculate the missing values. So in this way we can calculate any missing value related to combined arithmetic mean or corrected arithmetic mean, or instead of missing value, either missing frequencies will also be there, so we can calculate all the values. So do subscribe the channel to see such type of technical sums related to arithmetic mean. Thank you.